Cars give us freedom. They take us to work. They take us to adventures. They even take us to midnight snacks. But when something goes wrong, everything changes. That same car can turn into a stubborn, expensive headache. Let's look at the most common car problems. And let's see how to catch them before they leave you stranded. The first problem is the battery. If your car won't start, the battery is often to blame. Extreme heat or freezing cold can kill it. Leaving the lights on overnight can drain it. A weak battery shows itself with slow cranking or dim lights. Most batteries should be replaced every 3 to 5 years. The next problem is tires. Tires carry the full weight of your car. Nails, potholes, or low air pressure can cause a flat or blowout. Worn tires lose grip, especially in rain. You can use the penny test to check tread. If you see Lincoln's head, it's time for new tires. Another common issue is brakes. If you hear squealing or grinding, pay attention. If you feel vibrations when stopping, that's a warning. Your brakes are wearing down. Good brakes keep you safe. Ignoring them can lead to accidents and costly repairs. Engines can also overheat. Low coolant is a common cause. A broken water pump or clogged radiator can also be to blame. Watch your temperature gauge closely. If it goes into the red, pull over right away. Driving while overheating can ruin the engine completely. The check engine light causes a lot of stress. Sometimes it's something small like a loose gas cap. Other times it points to serious trouble. It could be a failing catalytic converter or another major issue. Don't guess. Use a scanner to find out the real problem. Your alternator and starter can fail too. If your new battery keeps dying, the alternator may not be charging it. If you turn the key and only hear clicking, the starter could be failing. Both of these can leave you stranded without warning. Transmission problems are another big one. Slipping gears is a clear sign. Jerky or delayed shifting is another. Transmission repairs are some of the most expensive in cars. Catching problems early can save you thousands. Fuel and exhaust issues also cause trouble. Dirty injectors or clogged filters starve the engine of power. Rust or leaks in the exhaust make the car noisy. They can also make it dangerous to drive. Strange smells, strange sounds, or poor performance are big clues. So how do you avoid these problems? Check your fluids often. Rotate your tires regularly. Listen for unusual sounds. Never ignore warning lights. Small habits prevent big repairs. Taking care of your car saves money and keeps you safe. Cars will eventually break down, but most problems can be stopped early. Pay attention to warning signs. Keep up with basic maintenance. Stay alert. Stay safe. And may your check engine lights stay off for a very long time.